In this video, I'll walk you through how to configure API access in Tenable.io. This is a crucial skill if you're looking to integrate Tenable.io with your existing tools, automate your security workflows, or fetch data programmatically. Stick around to the end because I'll also share an exclusive bonus that'll help you get started with Tenable.io at no cost. First thing you'll need to do is log in to your Tenable.io account. Once you're inside, head to the top right of the page and click on your user icon. From the drop-down, select My Account. You'll find a section here for API keys. Next thing, you'll see a button labeled Generate API Key. Click it and Tenable.io will create an API key for you. Make sure to copy and save this key in a secure location. It's the only time you'll see it, and it's essential for any integrations or automations you set up. The third thing you'll need to do is configure the permissions for the API key. By default, the key will have full access to your account. However, for security reasons, you may want to limit this access to only specific parts of Tenable.io, like scanning or vulnerability data. You can adjust the permissions here to fit your needs. After configuring the permissions, it's time to test your API access. To do this, use a tool like Postman or any HTTP client of your choice. In your request, make sure you include the API key in the authorization header using the format authorization, bearer and LT, your API key and GT. If everything is set up correctly, you should be able to make requests and pull data from Tenable.io. Now, the fourth thing, once you're comfortable with making requests, you can start integrating Tenable.io's data into your workflows. You can use the API to automate tasks, like pulling vulnerability data, adding new assets, or triggering scans. The API allows you to fully integrate Tenable.io with your existing security infrastructure. The fifth thing to keep in mind is security. Treat your API key like a password, don't share it publicly, and store it securely. Also, remember to rotate your API keys periodically to minimize the risk of unauthorized access. Finally, let's talk about how you can get started with Tenable.io for free. I've partnered with Tenable to offer you an exclusive extended free trial. This will give you full access to all of Tenable.io's features, including API access, without the usual restrictions. Just click the first link in the description below to claim your free trial and start securing your assets today. That's all for configuring API access in Tenable.io. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to take advantage of that exclusive bonus link to start using Tenable.io at no cost.